What's up, guys? Today is Sunday, and today we're gonna go to a car show. I'm not sure how many cars are gonna be there. Hopefully there's quite a bit, but it should be pretty interesting. So we'll bring you guys along with us. Right now we're actually on our way to the car wash to try to get the Jeep cleaned up a little bit, make it look good. Even though that's gonna be really hard to do that, but we're gonna try. So
why are you talking like that? Get something there.
We'll see you guys probably at the car wash.
Take long enough?
No, the gun was like clogged or something, and there wasn't very good pressure. Uh-oh.
Is it to your standards?
No.
We sat here for like 10 minutes.
Because the gun didn't have very good pressure, so it took forever to rinse it.
Sure. Here we go. Does he know where it's at? Look, there's Logan. We're at a car show.
Uh-oh, you should have said I'm in the corner.
Tyler posted a picture of all this, all these cars wanting Jeeps to show up. He's got one Jeep for him pulling in. $5, he's gonna be awkward.
But just one.
Yeah, only one. And there's that one. But he hasn't got out of his car.
Yeah.
I want to sit up there.
Huh?
I want to sit up there.
No, you're not getting up there.
Yeah.
I'm zoomed in really far.
On my face?
Yeah.
I'm sunbathing. Because I have protectant on my skin. So if I got somewhere out.
We didn't stay long. It's a little chilly.
There wasn't that many cars there either. Well, there was a lot of nice cars, but
Mainly trucks.
yeah.
That's pretty much it, is trucks. Now we're gonna go up to Greenwood while we're already up here and do stuff.
Get something to eat. I bet we didn't get one vote for our Jeep.
No one even looked at it. We just went to look at cars. We didn't go to enter the Jeep though. Some of his Jeep friends were there too. But, oh well.
Alright guys, well, we just left McDonald's. We ate some lunch. Now I think we're headed over to Uncle Bill's. Look at some puppies that we're not going to get. Right?
We're getting a cat.
We ain't getting no cat.
Yeah, we are.
But yeah, we're gonna go there. And I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but we'll see.
Sky, what is that? Get the fishies. Get them.
Very docile. Show him the fish.
You can clap for him, yeah.
She's like, what the heck?
Thank you.
Mace, where's all the fish in that big tank? I think he wants out.
I know, but
No, he wants us to buy him.
No, no.
He wants out.
That's definitely. I'm looking for.
What?
Look at that big fish in there with all the little.
That is a big fish for that little tank. What's in here? He's picking up a turtle.
Well, we made our way over to the Christmas tree shop. Skylar's getting grumpy because she's getting tired. There's Mallory and Austin. We're about to go in here and walk around for no reason.
And painting.
Oh, I don't even know why they call this place the Christmas tree shop, because even on Christmas, they don't have that much Christmas stuff.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
Well, guys, I didn't see a single Christmas tree in the Christmas tree shop.
No. He was too busy being salty.
Yeah. It was boring.
Seriously? Half the stuff you want to do is boring.
That was really boring.
No, it wasn't. I liked it. Wait, you guys want to see what we got? It's cute. Hold on. For the front,
Mommy, show them what I got.
for the front of our stove, little seats for Cottrell. Isn't that cute?
It's not for money.
Hey, Macy wants me to show you her bath stuff. That lied about the price. Okay, it's all we gotta go.
We're heading home, I guess. Right?
Yeah.
We're heading home!
Yeah, guys, so we just got back and we're just hanging out, working on the Jeep. Oops, this is the wrong camera. He's gonna put that in there. I'm totally kidding. I did it on purpose.
Oh.
Don't tell Tyler, because whenever he edits this, he's gonna be like, "What the heck?"
No, he goes to the coach before he.
Well, guys, we've been chilling at home since we got back, doing a bunch of nothing.
We had a good day.
But, we made some dinner. Ariel and Mallory made some dinner.
We did not.
But,
Yeah,
yeah.
use that on your stupid.
We didn't have no part of making the dinner, but we're gonna have a part in eating
See
it.
you later.
When do you ever though? You don't ever cook.
Later.
And I've been playing spin tires on the computer with the old ZJ.
Everybody.
But
see
that's
me.
about all we've been
I
doing.
know.
Well, guys, it's gonna be the end of the vlog. We are about to get to bed, and I think there's something on the lens. There's a little dot on the lens. Oh well. But this is the end of the vlog, so we'll see you on the next one.